You didn't pay for the app. You didn't sign up for anything expensive. You just scrolled, tapped, typed, clicked allow. But somewhere, behind walls of APIs, encrypted logs, and invisible deals, your data was stripped, cleaned, repackaged, and sold back to you. This is data laundering, where companies wash your behavior into profit, and you never see it coming. Let's break it open. You download a free app. It asks for permission, location, contacts, microphone access. Maybe it tracks your fitness or your spending or your sleep. No big deal, right? Everyone does it. But the moment you hit accept, the laundering begins. Step 1. Collection. The app records what you do, when you do it, how long you do it, and what else you do afterward. It doesn't need your name. It builds a fingerprint, your phone's exact make, model, IP, motion pattern, and usage style. Unique, trackable. Step 2. Obfuscation. That raw data is messy. Too specific, so it's anonymized, tokenized, names removed, IDs masked. But the fingerprint stays. This isn't to protect you, it's to protect the asset. Step 3. Aggregation. Your data joins millions of others. It gets funneled into a pool, cross-referenced with other apps, devices, and platforms. Suddenly, your Spotify habits are linked with your Uber routes. Your dating app swipes are compared with your late-night Amazon searches. Patterns emerge, predictability forms. You become a target profile and a product. Step 4. Activation. That cleaned data is now valuable. It's sold to ad networks, used to train AI models, pumped into recommendation engines, matched with consumer behavior analytics. And here's where it gets twisted. It comes back to you. You start seeing ads for something you only whispered about. Offers appear that match your financial situation too perfectly. You're shown jobs, subscriptions, or payment plans that fit your habits like a glove. And it feels like magic. But it's not. It's math, built on you. That promo email, written by an AI trained on data from people just like you. That product suggestion, chosen by a model using your exact online movements as input. You're not just being advertised to, you're being re-engaged by your own digital shadow. And the companies, they never sold your identity. They just sold what you taught them. It's legal, it's clean, it's laundered. But make no mistake, it's valuable. Because in this economy, free isn't free. It's deferred payment, and you pay in prediction, persuasion, and conversion. They don't need your money, they need your momentum. And every action you take feeds the loop. The click becomes data. The data becomes insight. The insight becomes profit. And the product is you. This is Paranueral Thread, and your value is already circulating.